Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to install updates on Huawei phones. So, this is the Huawei P20 Lite. So before we're going to start, please make sure guys to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn notification on, and stay up to date. So stay up to date for my next new videos. So yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to install updates. So to install the updates, we're going to go on to the settings and go on to the system, and you go to the system update. Can you see where the red dot is? This is the important update. So this is the new version. So if you want to click the new version, so this is the EMUI 9.1, and it comes with the Android Pie. So this is Android 9, the official Android 9. So this update was already released, but it's already came out. But now you will get to read all the notes. So this is the update notes that you should read. So what it says here, this update will not erase your personal data, but we recommend that you back up any important data before updating. So it's very important to back up your data. So basically what you have to do is to just back up your data, such as your contacts, your messages, your files, or everything like that, etc. So yeah. And also, some third-party apps that are not compatible with Android 9.0 may function incorrectly after the update. So yeah, it says recommended that you update these apps to their latest versions in the Google Play Store. So no matter if your apps has updated to the Google Play Store, or if you set it to auto update on the Google Play Store, it's fine anyway. So yeah, so what we're going to do is, so your home screen layout may be arranged slightly, so rearranged, and this system version can be rolled back to the official version of EMUI 8.0 in High Suite. Rolling back the system version will erase your personal data. So there you go. And so yeah, and you got all those cool features for Android 9, and this is the official Android 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to install it. So I'm not going to install it now because so yeah, when you click install now, it will shut down your phone, and then it'll begin to install any updates. So after you install the updates, you will now then see the difference. So if your interface looks familiar than the Android 8.0, so yeah, so I hope you find this video useful. So thank you guys for watching, and please make sure guys to like and subscribe, share, comment, turn notification on, and stay up to date. So yeah, and so thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. Goodbye.